Right, I found some old paint and a brush. This is the smallest brush I can find, believe it or not. This could be a disaster. This is actually cellulose paint, so it should be pretty quick drying. I just wanted to sort of hinder the progress of any rust on that edge. I'll just do a little bit on the inside. That'll do. Got a tiny bit of paint on the seat there. I don't know how I did that. Whoa, I guess get out. Right, just going to put the lid on the paint. That'll do. That'll dry in a few minutes. Right, I've got the rubber. I can't remember buying this, but I must have bought it when I started building the other pickup. So I've got this rubber and I've kind of wrestled it on, and I've put a piece of wire around it, around there, goes all the way around. So I'm going to snip that off. Second-hand pliers from the cab. Oh, I snipped the wrong one. Never mind. That's alright. So I've snipped those off. Now I'm going to try and fit it. Now classically this is a two-man job, but what I think I'm going to do is put a bit of washing up liquid around the opening to make it a bit more slippy. But I'll kind of shove it in, if you forgive the expression. I'll put it in from the inside. I'll put it in from the inside and give it a go. Squeezy. I can't help thinking I'm going to get in a right mess. More washing up liquid. Just make the whole aperture more slippy. If I can just get it in there, I can try and start then easing the lip over. Okay, hang on. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so I've seen them fitting screens at the factory, and they use like great big mallets. I think they... Right, let's see what... Okay. I'll get this top edge lip, kinda, just pull it down gently like that. You don't want to go too mad because you don't want to tear it. Come on, there you go. What I'll do there, then I'll kind of this one should come this way. This is where you can tear the rubber if it's a bit old. This one's a bit old, but it's never been used, so well, that seems to work. Look, it's kind of a circular motion. Sort of teasing it out. I'm reluctant to push it yet on the other side. Okay. I'm going to go and give it a push to get the top end in. Yeah, that looks okay. Oh, this one feels a bit tight. Yeah, a bit worried about that one. Let's see if I can just... This one's a bit easier, look. Right. So I'll give it another push. I might just get a blunt screwdriver and just go in there and kind of dig it. Or not, maybe. Let's have a look. There we go. Hey, did it. Okay, I'll go and give it another bump now. Bump it out. It's not too bad, is it? Bump it around a bit. I think that that is excellent. See a little bit of that black paint, but you know, what the hell. I'll wash the washing up liquid off now. I think that's the join there. Nice. Shall I have a quick look on the inside? There's the inside, if you can see it okay. Looks pretty good actually. Oh, there's a screw there, look, or something, a nail, a trim nail. This rubber is the proper one apparently, and it's got a like a flange on the inside. I imagine you can have trim here that's, you know, tucks behind it. It helps to retain the trim. Okay, so other than a bit of clean up on aisle 7, I think we're alright. I made a right mess with that paint and thinners. I don't know what to do with the seat, it's a right mess. Anyway, okay. I'm calling that good. Yeah, a little bit uneven where the join is, but you know, blimey, not bad really, and didn't take very long. Plus I've got a pattern for the other truck. Nice one. I didn't fancy putting the join by the corner because I thought it might try and split, but it does look like it would have been better on the corner. And to be honest, if I paint it, it wouldn't take long to whip that out. And, you know, the rubber's new enough for it to be supple enough, it'll probably go back in again. Okay, I'm calling that good. Right. Look, the bumblebees are attracted by something. Oh God, he's fell down again. Oh no, here he is, he's coming out, look, he's alright. He's alright, nothing to see here. Come on. Okay. Bish bosh, job done. Don't forget to click like and all that good stuff. Cheers then, bye.